YouTube. It's your boy again, OG69, Ford T-Bird, Big E. Just finished my bike ride. I got some more good news. Finally. My machinist called me and told me the parts are in, and he got all the parts laid out. So it's about 20-minute ride. I just finished riding my bike for about 12 miles, so I'm gonna catch my breath. I like to take a quick walk just to stretch out some of the kinks. But anyway, I'm ready to go down here and check out my machinist, and I'll be right back. Peace. All right, on my way down there, people. About another 20 minutes, maybe 25, depending on traffic. Here we go. All righty, see you when we get there.
Aren't cooperating.
Say that again now.
We got a couple of pistons that aren't cooperating.
Okay.
But we're going to take care of that.
Yeah, I believe it.
And then this is what happened. This is what was the problem we had originally. With
and see, those are the ones he replacing.
The skirts were broken.
Yeah, these are
and
ones.
the ring lands are broke off.
Oh wow! See the hole right there. Wow.
So that's the reason we're doing all this.
And I noticed too up in here, it's deeper. This is bigger.
This is a little bit bigger, but it's that's a stock replacement.
Yeah.
And then, but this is a couple of them they didn't want to come. They're being real pains in the ass.
These are what's being replaced, people.
Yep.
Okay.
They're getting all the inside parts that wear are being replaced. The connecting rods we're cleaning up and reusing.
Okay.
The crankshaft that we're going to reuse. Anything that wears, like the camshaft and the bearings and the gaskets and the rings, all being replaced. So it'll be essentially a new motor when we're done.
Great. So it's like no miles on it.
Right.
Huh? Okay. Thanks. Cool. All right, YouTubers, you heard him. You heard from my transmission man. Now you're hearing from my engine man. All right. We'll be on the road soon. Here we come, Arizona.
All right. A little wild local for
yeah. All right, YouTube, I'm here at my machinist shop, and he got the products all laid out in the back of his truck. And I guess we're getting ready to get this thing done. He's going to explain to me and to you all out there what we're looking at and what I'm getting. All right, Jarhead, it's on you now.
This is basically just your master engine kit. It has all the parts we need to put the engine back together again.
Okay.
We got 6 of the 8 connecting rods cleaned up, ready to basically machine.
That's these here, right?
That's their connecting rods ready to go back. Go back together with these pistons.
Okay. What are they? Maui too?
Yeah, they got a coated skirt.
Okay. Coated, yeah.
There's 3 pistons. Coated skirt.
Who they buy?
They buy Steel Power.
Steel Power? Okay.
Yep. And they're hyper-eutectic. They're a little bit better alloy than stock.
Okay.
Which is H stands for.
That's a little upgrade there, huh?
A little bit of an upgrade on the type of aluminum that it is.
Okay.
It's like in between cast and forged.
Oh, okay. Strength is good, durability.
Strength, durability, wear.
Okay.
All that's a lot better than just a plain old cast piston.
And what's my cam?
The cam is here.
Okay.
We got this one here, the E260 121 is a TQ20H. That's what we got here. It's got a little bit of lift on it. It's got a mild duration.
So that idle.
But what it is super low and mid-range power, good idle, fuel efficiency, and drivability.
Big as your hands are. There we go. I can't tell.
All right.
Where we at?
Right there, right where my 2 fingertips are. No performer, super low, mid-range power, good idle, fuel efficiency, and drivability. 4-valve headers recommended.
Okay, 4-valve headers.
It's got a pretty wide lobe center, so it's not going to be much.
Yeah, I don't want the part. I want it smooth.
It's going to be
burn.
It's going to be
Yo, guys, we finally getting there. This is Jarhead. That's his nickname because he was a Marine. Leatherhead. Leatherneck. I guess, or soldiers. I was in the Army. What was I? A grunt?
Maybe if you were infantry.
No, I'm not infantry. I'm engineer.
Army engineers.
Yeah, Army engineers.
This is the cam. Basically, it's all wrapped up in cotton.
Okay, we'll leave it
We'll
alone.
leave it all wrapped up.
Yeah.
This is the assembly loop.
So, when you want me to bring intake?
Let me get where
Yeah, that's what I just mentioned. And we'll be at here now. We got
here's our timing set. We got a double roller.
double roller. That's for strengthening the joint. Okay. Cool beans. All right.
And we got 3 different, we're going to put it in straight up. We're not going to put it advanced or retarded. We're just going to put it straight up.
Okay. Stop.
Yep. Main bearing box got messed up a little bit, but the bearings inside are fine.
Okay.
And the 3 plugs. These are rod bearings. The piston rings, lifters here and here. Cam bearings.
Okay, Brian.
Yep.
Oh, we need my fingers.
They're in this box. They look. That's what they look like.
Okay. That's the cans. Okay.
They go
Yeah,
in. They get
right, they go around, yeah.
They get put in the block. So
Right.
The cam rod.
Right. And they can sits on that.
Mhm.
And so this is the clamp
That's
arm.
and that's one for the connector rods.
Yeah.
And these are important because if they're worn, it's going to affect your oil pressure.
Mm-hmm. So we be at 10 to 1 again.
We're going to be whatever stock.
Yeah,
They're
10 to
stock.
1.
They're stock style. Here's your oil pump. Brand new Melling oil pump. We're going to get a new screen to go with it.
Cool beans. There's the gaskets and stuff down
And then the
there.
Molly gasket. That's a full gasket set
Mhm.
for the whole engine.
All right, Pete. You see where we are right now. Hopefully, I guess
Yeah,
May.
We're trying to get everything done as quick as we can.
By May. And okay, be quiet. He's talking. Go ahead, brother. Go ahead, brother.
We're going to we'll get it going as quick as we can. Make sure we do a real nice job on it. We're going to do a little work on the heads.
Okay.
Make them flow a little better than good stock.
Pour them or something?
We're going to clean them up a little bit.
Okay.
Clean up the ports a little bit. Just not going to change anything. We're just going to clean it up so it flows a little better.
Hey, this is just, you got me at your beck and will, brother.
That's where we're at.
Okay, I'm happy to see this and more material for my people to see at Thunderbird. It's coming, guys. I already got the shorty headers. I already got the
Got all your
intake.
fancy stuff, the valve covers. all
Yeah, I
that.
got
You
the valve covers. I have the Elderbrock 4-barrel carburetor, performer carburetor. So this is completed, I believe.
So we're rolling right along.
All righty. Thanks, there, y'all. I appreciate it, man. I'll tell you one thing. If I ain't learned one thing in this job, in this business, that's patience.
Well, yeah.
I got patience.
There's only a few of us left to do this stuff, and
There ain't no many good ones. But I just thank you, man. I'm be glad. Almost dropped my camera, people. Man. Wow. Where we are. Back at it. Okay, here we go.